Can you guess which animal?
Bobcat.
No, it looks big.
Pretty big, yeah. They can be up to like 30, 40
Wow.
pounds, yeah.
Are they aggressive or
No,
friendly?
no, not at all.
Oh,
well, they're not friendly. They're wild animals.
Okay.
But
Okay.
they're not aggressive.
Okay.
They're really afraid of people.
Okay.
They don't want anything to do with the noise, the commotion. They're gonna stay in the woods away from people.
What's the food for them?
Mostly rabbits.
Oh, okay.
So this is rabbit, mostly rabbits, squirrels, maybe a small raccoon.
Okay. Okay.
A lot of rodents. They'll eat rats and mice. This is an opossum.
Oh, possum.
Yeah. So they will eat pretty much anything. They're omnivores, so they eat meat and plants. But one of the cool things about opossums is that they're actually immune to snake venom, and so they will actually eat like small rattlesnakes and copperheads and coral snakes.
Okay.
So they're really good to have around because they'll eat some of the venomous snakes.
Some of them go to my backyard.
Yeah, they do like to hang out in the neighborhoods, in backyards. They're not aggressive. They kind of look scary, just because they have these long canine teeth. So they have a lot of teeth. So they look scary, but they're not.
I see.
They're not going to do anything to people.
So what do they do when they see dogs and the cats? Do they fight or what?
Usually they're going to run away.
They run away.
Yeah. They don't want to cause any problems. They're not aggressive.
Okay.
If they have to defend themselves, any wild animal, if they get cornered and they can't escape, they will fight back.
But which one is stronger? Cats? Dogs?
It depends on the size of the cat, the size of the dog. It really depends. I can't really answer that.
I see.
Yeah.
Interesting.
This is a gray fox.
Oh, fox.
Yeah.
Fox.
So they will eat kind of like the bobcat. They'll eat rodents, birds. But they're good to have around. They help keep the smaller animal populations under control.
Okay. This is bigger. This one.
Yeah. What do you think this is?
What's it?
This is like puma or something.
No. So it's a coyote.
Oh, coyote.
Yeah. So this is a coyote. So kind of like a big cousin of the fox. So it's a canine. But they will eat some of the bigger prey, like the raccoons.
Okay.
They will go after a fox if they are hungry. They'll go after small deer.
Okay.
Sick deer.
Okay.
So
we have here.
yes.
Wow.
Yeah, we have coyotes here.
Okay.
You're probably not going to see them,
Okay.
but you'll probably hear them because they really hunt at night, and so you'll hear them howling.
Oh, that's the one.
The last one that we have here is a white-tailed deer.
Deer.
Yeah, this is so this is a buck because it's got the big antlers. And they actually use that white tail as like a warning to the other members of their herd. If one of them senses a predator, they'll flip up their tail. And so that's a silent warning to the rest of the group. Hey, something's wrong.
Okay.
Be alert.
Is a coyote eating this?
If it's a small one or sick or hurt, yes. But they're not big enough to take down a full-grown healthy buck.
Okay.
But they'll eat the sick ones or the injured ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.